Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can test the shoulder flexion, and I will give you top 3 exercises to improve the movement that will cost you only 5 minutes daily. When we are speaking about the shoulder movement, we need to know that our shoulders can move in 9 different areas: flexion and extension. After that, abduction and adduction, internal and external rotation, elevation and depression, and circumduction. But today we will cover only flexion. Normal range of motion is 180 degrees, and this movement we can test really easily. Put your back to the wall and be sure that during the movement your lower part of the back will always touch the wall. Place the arms near body, and this will be our start position and our 0 degree. Start moving arms up as much as possible. The goal is to reach 180 degree, which means that you need to touch the wall with your hands. Everything below 180 degree means that your shoulder not reaching full range of the motion, and I will give you top 3 exercises to improve that. For our first exercise, we need one double and we need the bench. If you don't have it, just replace with some light bar like me. So we will place our elbow on the bench. Be sure that elbows are in line with the shoulders. And after that, start pushing the hip back and in the same time falling down with the chest. When you reach your maximum, start bending your arms. Your hands need to reach position behind your head, and then relax. And again, hip back, fall down with the chest, push as much as possible, bend your arms, and all the way up. This movement we will repeat 8 to 10 times. For our second exercise, we will use the bench and we will use the 2 plates. My advice is always go with the easiest one, just to be sure that from beginning you will not have a lot of pressure on your shoulders, but when that one it's really easy to you, you can always increase and go with the heavier one. Start position will be laying on your back on the bench, putting your feet up. Be sure that all of the time your low back will touch the bench, and put your arms in line with the chest. This one will be our start position. After that, with breathe out, start falling down with completely straight arms. When you're reaching your maximum, hold a couple of the seconds and then go all the way up. Again, be sure that you will not make arch in your low back, and repeat this movement 8 to 10 times. So for our last exercise, we need the incline bench, and we again need 2 plates. Again, my recommendation is start with the lighter one. We will put our chest on the bench, completely straight legs. With your feet, you will push the floor to make support and to don't be able to feel pressure on your low back. Start position is when your arm sits completely straight and relaxed in front of you. With breathe out, you will start moving your arms with completely straight elbow all the way up in Y position. Hold a couple of the seconds and then go all the way down. Again, all the way up, Y position, couple of the seconds hold. Be sure that your neck will stay in line with your spine, and then all the way down. This movement you will repeat 8 to 10 times. For all of this exercise, you need 5 minutes, and you can put in your warm-up routine before workout. But if you want to improve faster, I recommend to repeat 2 to 3 sets of each exercise. And remember, everything that you're doing, you need to have strong mind and muscle connection, which means that you need to think about the movement and be present, not just to finish. Train smart, move well, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!